Hey, it's Vic here. I'm here to give you a quick little session on how to order fractions. Alright, so the first thing you need to know is that the denominator must be the same for each of the fractions. So on this one you have 6 over 7, 5 over 9, and 1 over 2. The denominators are these bottom numbers here. And it's super important that, in fact, you can't really do anything with these guys unless you change them to be the same. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So here's some fractions I prepared earlier. So the easiest way to change these guys so they all have the same denominator is to just multiply them together. Super easy. So this becomes 7 times 9. 7 times 9, which equals, of course, you've had enough time to figure that out, it equals 63. So 7 times 9, and then that answer times 2. So 63 times 2, which gives us 126, which of course you already knew. So that means that the bottom numbers for all of these are going to be 126, the denominator. So let's put that down here. 126, 126, and 126. Now, fractions are like kids. Whatever you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top, otherwise they just get out of balance and stuff gets real. So in order to know what to multiply this guy by, we have to look at what we multiplied the bottom by. So we did 9 times 2 times 7 gave us 126. 9 times 2 times 7. 9 times 2 times 7 gave us 126. So we multiplied this 7 by 9 times 2. 9 times 2 is 18. So we times this by 18. So whatever we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top. So up here, we times this by 18. Now if you use your place value strategy, 6 times 10 gives us 60, so we just pop that over here. And then 6 eighths are 48. 60 plus 48 gives us 108. That just becomes that top number there. Look easy so far, hopefully. Let's have a look at this next one. To get 126, we did 7 times 9 times 2. 7 times 2 is 14. And then we times that by 9. So 7 times 2 is 14. So we times this 9 by 14. Whatever we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top. So we times this by 14. So using place value, let's get rid of this guy here. Using place value, 5 times 10 is 50. And then 5 times 4 is 20. 50 plus 20 gives us 70. This is looking nice and easy, hopefully. Let's have a look at this next one. We did 7 times 9. 7 times 9, you can see it up here. 7 times 9 is 63. So that means we did 7 times 9 times 2. So we multiplied this 2 by 63. We multiplied that 2 by 63. So we have to multiply this guy. We've already done that by 63. We have to times the top by 63. 1 times 63 is 63. Now this is the super easy part. Now all we have to do is order these. Let's have a look at the mathematics page. It's asking us to order these from least to greatest. So these are exactly the same as this. So the least is whatever's the smallest up the top. So we know that this guy will go first. Let's pop that in there. We know the next biggest one is this one, that middle one, And the last one is the greatest because it has the biggest number here. And we submit our answer. And mathematics will eventually tell us that it is correct.